Now from tabletop, tuck your toes in, lift your knees off the ground, pushing your hips back towards the ceiling into downward dog. Pressing your palms into the mat, engaging your core, leg muscles engage. Keep pushing your hips towards the ceiling, keeping your shoulder blades away from your ears. Bring your feet together. From here, inhale, lifting your right leg up, bringing it in between your palms, and from here, bringing your right ankle in line with your right knee. Push your left leg back into resting pigeon pose. Now, if your right side of the hip doesn't touch the ground, that's okay. You can use a block or a blanket as a support. But you want to make sure that your spine is straight, your hips are centered so you're not falling to the left or the right. Now from here, inhale, bring your hands up. Keep flexing your right toe or your right foot. Make sure you're not falling to the left or the right. From here, keep flexing your right foot towards your right knee. Keep flexing your right foot towards your right knee. Inhale, bring your hands up. Over your head. Slide out here in your lower back. With an exhalation, bring your hands all the way down to the front. Bringing your forehead down to the mat. Into resting pigeon pose. We'll stay here for a while. Breathe in and out. Keep your left leg straight. Feel the stretch on your right hip. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, come up on your hands. Tuck your left toe in, lifting your left knee up, lifting your hips off the ground, bringing your right foot back into downward dog. We'll do the same on the other side. Feet together. Inhale, lifting your left leg up. With an exhalation, bringing it to the front. Left foot in line. With your left knee, push your right leg back. Sitting your hips down in the center. Again, use a blanket or a block if your hips don't touch the ground, but keeps your hips square. With an inhalation, bring your hands up. Make sure your left foot is pointing or flexed, pointing towards your left knee. Look up, arch here. With an exhalation, come all the way to the front. Lean forward, bringing your forehead down to the ground here. Into resting pigeon. Stay here for a few breaths. Don't hold your breath. Breathe in and out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring yourself back up. Tuck your right toe in. Lift your right knee off the ground, lifting your hips, bringing yourself back into downward dog. Stay in downward dog for 5 breaths. Feet hip distance apart. Keep pushing your hips towards the ceiling or the sky. Shoulder blades away from your ears. Keeping it straight. Palms pressing down into the mat. Neck in line with your spine. Gaze towards your toes. Toes slightly turned inwards, heels out. Engage your leg muscles here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, slowly exhale. Bring your knees down to the ground. Untuck your toes. Sit on your heels and bring yourself into child pose. Forehead down to the mat. Hands to the side of your body. If you can't sit on your heels, use a blanket or a block to support, either at the front or on your heels, and bring your forehead down. You can have your forehead resting on a block or a blanket, or over at your ankles. You can either have your forehead resting on the mat. If it doesn't touch the mat, bring yourself to sit on your heels. Use a pillow or a blanket or a block. Put it in front of you and rest your forehead on top of it. Stay here. Ground yourself. Breathe in and out. Slowly inhale, come up, sitting on your heels. Now from here, we'll sit on our mat. As we go into relaxation, before ending, lie down on your mat with your knees bent. Open your hands in line with your shoulders. Feet together, lifting it off the ground. We'll do deep supine twists here. Inhale, shift your hips into the left, exhale down to the right. Look to the opposite direction, keep pressing your left shoulder down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, shift your hips into the right and down to the left. Look to the opposite direction. Keep moving. Inhale, shift your hips in, exhale down. Inhale, lift up, shift in, exhale down. Few more rounds of this. Inhale, lift, shift in, exhale, look to the opposite direction, knees down. Inhale, lift up, shift your hips in, drop your knees down to the left, exhaling up, look to the opposite direction. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale back to the center. Slowly bring your feet down to the mat. Hands to the side of your body. Straighten your leg here. Feet completely relaxed. Palms facing the ceiling. Eyes gently closed. Relax your face. Relax your neck and shoulders. Eyes gently closed, face relaxed, neck and shoulder relaxed. Scanning through your entire body, allowing it to relax so that you don't have to move for the next few minutes and just focus on breathing in and out. Breathe in deeply, gently breathing out, allowing yourself, your body to relax with every exhalation.